Today we have the 2018 Ford Ranger. This vehicle has done just under 43,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. As we approach the back of the vehicle, we can see that this is a crew cab. We have 5 seats in total, all of which have a black leather trim. On the steering wheel, we have features such as voice control and cruise control. On our touchscreen, we can access ambient lighting, valet mode, mobile apps, navigation and Bluetooth. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. Just below the screen we have our AC, as well as heated seats on either side. The Ranger also comes with lane assist, hill descent control and 3 different driving modes to choose from.